Good morning, student. Myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you for the online classes. Okay, student. Now, in the last chapter we finished our exercise, question answer, and true and false, match the column. So many things that is in the chapter number 4. Chapter number 3. Okay, now student, you think why I am writing here 5, where is 4th chapter? Now I skip chapter number 4 in your syllabus. Okay, skip means मैंने उसको छोड़ दिया है अभी. Okay, after the sometimes we will discuss about that. Okay, that chapter is related to games. Okay students, so I start here chapter number 5. 4 I skip for the some time. कुछ समय के लिए हमने अभी उसे छोड़ दिया है. अगर मे भी पॉसिबल अगर होगा तो हम उसे लास्ट जो टाइम हमारे पास बचेगा, जब ये सिलेबस जब हमारा ओवर होगा उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ today we will start our new chapter. Okay, chapter number 3 we finished all the things, writing work, okay, explanation and many more things we completed. I explained you each and everything that is related to sense organs. Okay, clear? Now I send you PDF or in the written form all the things. Okay, you have to complete your class work through that PDF. Okay, clear? Now today we will start our new chapter, that is the chapter number 5. The name of that chapter is the journey of food. Okay, in class 3 we will discuss about the food contents. Okay, what we get from the food, this thing, another thing, but whatever we get from the food items, we read the name of the different types of food items, and we get different types of contents from nutrient from the food items, that food items. Okay, the name of that food nutrient is protein, carbohydrate, minerals. Okay, and how they affect our body, this thing we read in the chapter number and understand that thing in the class 3. Okay, now another thing given, now you are in the class 4, here given the journey of food. Why this chapter given in your textbook? Okay, it means why we read and why I explain you this chapter. The 2 things is given in this chapter. Okay, food from plants and how do food reaches us, हम तक खाना कैसे पहुंचता है, एंड फूड फ्रॉम प्लांट्स, हमें जो प्लांट से जो खाना मिलता है. 2 things we will discuss in this chapter. But before that I explain you something. What is the meaning of food? Think about that. What is food? Food क्या है? Think about that. What is food? खाना क्या है? Think about that. If you want to live on the earth, I explain you in the simple form. If you want to live on the earth, 3 things is most important to survive on the earth. 3 things. But most and important thing is air. Okay? Now, after that, second thing, water. Water is the second thing. Why? Air. Without air we cannot live. Okay? Within a few seconds we will die. हम लोग मर सकते हैं. Okay? ऐसे नाक पकड़ ली, किसी ने मुंह दबा दिया. What happened? After the 4 or 5 minutes we will die. हम लोग मर जाएंगे. Okay? The most and important thing, air. Clear? Now the water we वी शुड लिव विदाउट वाटर अ फ्यू डेज ऑन द अर्थ। कुछ समय के लिए अगर हमें पानी नहीं मिलेगा तो हम लोग कुछ समय के लिए तो जिंदा रह सकते हैं। ओके, मीन्स बिना पानी के थोड़ा समय तो हम निकाल सकते हैं। नाउ आफ्टर डे द थर्ड थिंग, व्हाट इज द थर्ड थिंग? दैट इज फूड। व्हाई वी से फूड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट? एयर, वाटर एंड आफ्टर दैट फूड। Okay, you continuously get that thing. Air, both things we get are three. These all the things we get from the nature. Okay, nature से ही मिलेगा। Clear? These things, air, water and food we get from the nature. Clear? Now, air gives us plant, water, those are the we get from the earth. Okay, now from the rain we get water from the rain. Okay, and this thing you read about the water cycle na in class 3, how the water cycle completed in our nature. Okay, now the food, how do we get food? कैसे मिलता है खाना हमको? चलो इसको छोड़ो। ओके, लीव दिस थिंग। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फूड? फूड मीन्स हम जो खाते हैं डेली सारा। फूड मीन्स इफ यू वांट टू लिव ऑन द अर्थ, एयर एंड वाटर एंड आफ्टर दैट फूड इज नेसेसरी। फूड इज अ बेसिक नीड। Basic need of our body. Okay, basic need means if you want to grow, if you want to become strong, if you want to do work properly, okay, if you want to protect your body, protect your body from diseases, okay, so we need food. Okay, food is a basic need of our body. If God gave us a whole body, okay, glowing skin, internal parts works properly, okay, but if you want to know that your all the parts of your body functioning well, okay, so you need food. Okay, clear? बेसिक नीड मीन्स इफ यू सपोज अगर आपके पास कोई मशीन है, ओके, आई गिव यू सिंपल एग्जांपल। इफ यू हैव अ मशीन, क्लियर, यू यूज दैट मशीन रेगुलरली, आप उस मशीन को डेली यूज करते हो। ओके, सपोज यू हैव बाइसिकल, आपके पास साइकिल होती है। ओके, कंटिन्यूसली यू आर राइडिंग साइकिल्स, ओके, डेली चलाते हो। ओके, कभी कभी क्या होता है, उसकी चेन से आपको आवाज़ आने लगती आती, फिर आपके पापा क्या करते हैं, चेन से अगर आवाज़ आ रही है, ब्रेक प्रॉपर काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो क्या करोगे? ब्रेक बहुत टाइट हो गया है अगर, तो क्या करते हैं पापा? हाँ, ब्रेक को थोड़ा ढीला करेंगे, और चेन से बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ आ रही तो क्या करेंगे? उसमें थोड़ा सा ऑयल देंगे ना। वो ऑयल क्या है, उसकी थोड़ी देर बाद क्या होता है, चेन से आवाज़ आना बंद हो जाती है, होता है ना। ये क्यों होता है? क्योंकि उसको हमने ऑयल लगा दिया है, चेन पर ऑयलिंग कर दी है। उसी तरह से फूड क्या होता है, हमारी बॉडी की ग्रोथ, बॉडी को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है, वर्क्स प्रॉपरली मीन्स हमारे पार्ट्स जो भी होते हैं बॉडी के प्रॉपर फंक्शन करते हैं। एंड प्रोटेक्ट योर बॉडी फ्रॉम डिजीजेस, बीमारियों से लड़ने में मदद करता है खाना हमारा। ओके, दिस थिंग आई एक्सप्लेन इन द क्लास 3 फूड इन द चैप्टर नंबर 2। ओके, वाई डू वी नीड फूड, हमें खाने की जरूरत क्यों पड़ती है? वी नीड फूड टू ग्रो and alive on the earth and become strong our body. If we not eat properly, अगर हम खाना ढंग से नहीं खाएंगे तो we should become weak, हम कमज़ोर हो जाएंगे। ओके, तो food is a basic need of our body. Clear? Now through that we get energy and our body function properly. क्लियर? मीन्स वाई डू वी नीड फूड, हमें खाने की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ती है? तो बिकॉज हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी की ज़रूरत है ना, तो वी नीड गेट एनर्जी फ्रॉम द फूड। ओके, नॉट ओनली वन टाइप्स ऑफ फूड। ओके, वी ईट डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फूड आइटम्स ना। क्लियर? एक ही जैसा खाना खाते हैं डेली, रोटी सब्जी, वेजिटेबल एंड चपाती। ओके, डेली इन द मॉर्निंग, इन द इवनिंग टाइम, in the afternoon, daily we eat same types of food items? No, we eat different types of food item na. Okay, so what is given in your chapter? The journey of food. Journey of food is related to how do we get food, हमें खाना कैसे मिलता है, this thing given in the last. Before that only in this chapter given food from the plant, but I explain you chapter. Before that I want to share something about the food. How do we get food? How do we get food? हमें खाना कैसे मिलता है? How do we get food? We get food from the plants and animals. Okay, we get food, our food from the plants and animals, both thing. Only whatever we get from the plants, this thing given in your textbook in the chapter number 5. But before that we will discuss about the food items those we get from the animals. This thing I explain you in the class 3. Okay, chapter number 2 food, उसमें हमने पढ़ा है whatever we get from the animals, whatever we get from the plants. Okay, now animals, I explain you chapter. Before that we discuss about the food items we get from the animals. What we get from the animals? That is eggs, milk. Okay, now eggs, milk, and after that meat, chicken, this thing, fish. Okay, seafood also. Clear? This we get from the animals. Clear? Now eggs, some animals give us eggs like hen, duck. After that milk, we get milk from the cow and buffaloes, goat and sheep, camel. These animals give us milk, and some people drink 1 glass of milk daily in the morning in their breakfast. Okay, this is the good for their health. Why they have it? Why they have milk? क्यों पीते हैं वो दूध? Because milk made your bones strong. Milk is a rich source of calcium and fat. Okay, Clear? Now milk, we should use milk in the different ways. Okay, not we only drink milk, we make tea through the milk. चाय बनाती है ना मम्मी. Okay, and after that we convert the milk in the different types of food item like cheese, paneer, ghee, butter. Okay, this thing we made. Sweet dishes also we make through the milk. Okay, means we use this thing in a different ways. Egg, how you have egg? कुछ लोग आमलेट बना के खाते हैं, कुछ लोग बॉईल करके खाते हैं. ओके, तो वाई दे ईट दिस थिंग? नाउ मीट इज अ बॉडी पार्ट ऑफ द एनिमल्स. ओके, चिकन, फिश, these are the water animals and we also have it. इसको खाते हैं. Okay, clear? So these are the food, different types of food items we get from the animals. Now student, answer me. I asked you one question and I explained you in the last class, in the class 3. In the olden time, people don't know the farming. लोग खेती करना नहीं जानते थे. Okay, अर्ली मैन, जो आदि मानव थे, जो पुराने समय के लोग थे, दे डोंट नो अबाउट द फार्मिंग. दैट टाइम दे ओनली ईट और हंट द एनिमल्स. हंटिंग द एनिमल्स, जानवरों का शिकार करते थे. एंड दे ईट द रॉ मीट ऑफ दैट एनिमल्स. रॉ मीट मतलब कच्चा ही मांस उसका खाते थे. ओके, आफ्टर दैट द पीपल आर अर्ली मैन learn the farming, grow the plants, and now at present we have a different types of food items. Okay, and we taste them, we eat them. Okay, clear? But in the olden time only people eat raw meat. They hunt the animals, वो जानवरों का शिकार करते थे और उनको खाते थे. Clear? Now this thing not given in your textbook. Only we will discuss about the plants, what food items we get from the plants and how we use them and what we get from these food items. Okay, now before that, once eat is a big eggs, milk. Egg is a rich source of protein. Okay, each and every food item is rich source of nutrients, different kinds of nutrients. Okay, whatever we eat in our daily routine, okay, आप जो भी खाते हो, that food item have different types of nutrients, rich source of nutrients. Okay, all the food items different source of nutrients. Means what is the meaning of nutrients? What is the meaning of nutrient? I explained you that thing. Nutrient is the substance. Okay, food item are the rich source of nutrients that is the necessary for our body. But before that I explain you once again what is the meaning of nutrients. Nutrients are the substance, those are make our body stronger, those are the necessary for our body. Okay, nutrients are the substance, those are present in the food items. Clear? What is the meaning of the nutrients? Nutrients present in our food item, that is the substances. Clear? Different kinds of nutrients present in the different types of food items. Now in the class 3 I explain you protein. How we get protein? हमें प्रोटीन कैसे मिलेगा? क्या खाएंगे तो प्रोटीन मिलेगा? If you are non-vegetarian, अगर आप non-vegetarian हो तो you have egg, आप अंडा खाइए. Okay, if you daily eat one egg, okay, that is the rich source of protein. Clear? Meat, chicken, this is the fatty items. Now these food items are the bodybuilding food items. It make your body strong. Okay, clear? Now next thing, How do we get food? We get food from animals and plants. Clear? We get food from animals and plants, and I already explained you regarding to food, those we get from the animals. Now students, we come back to our chapter. Whatever the things are given in your chapter and what I explain you, in this chapter only we will discuss about the food item those we get from the plants, not discuss about the animals, whatever we get from the animals, but I little bit explain you about the food, source of food. The source means things that give us something, okay, जिससे हमें कोई चीज मिलती है, that is the source, okay. Now the plant, next source of food is plant. Now how we should say the plant are the source of food items, कैसे कह सकते हैं? Have you think about it? कभी इसके बारे में सोचा है? Each food item we should get what I write here, each food item we should get from the plant, okay. Clear? means जो भी हम खाते हैं वो हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? प्लांट से मिलता है. In the same form I will ask you once again question, in the same form एक ही फॉर्म में मिलता है हमको, डायरेक्ट रोटी मिल जाती है, डायरेक्ट दाल मिल जाती है प्लांट से. अगर आप पिज्ज़ा खा रहे हो तो डायरेक्ट पिज्ज़ा मिलता है प्लांट से, बिस्किट खा रहे हो तो बिस्किट डायरेक्ट मिलते हैं प्लांट से, मिलता है? नो, नहीं मिलता है ना. वी शुड प्रिपेयर दैट थिंग फॉर अस, हम लोग बनाते हैं, बट ईच फूड आइटम्स वी शुड गेट फ्रॉम दी प्लांट्स, ओके. प्लांट से मिलता है. वी ईट this thing not given in your chapter, I explain you. We eat different parts of a plant. Different parts of plant. Have you remember anything? कोई चीज याद आई किसी को? We eat different parts of plant. Not only one plant, different types of plant and different types of parts, okay. We eat leaf of some plant, clear. We should eat root of some plant, we should eat seeds of some plants. Is it clear? We eat stem of some plants. Have you remember anything? I will explain you. I explained you that thing in the class 3. We eat different types parts of a plant. Okay, clear? Now, means root, stem, leaf, seed, vegetables. These are the parts of the plant. Have you remembered that thing? These are the parts of plant: root, stem, leaf, seed, fruit, vegetable. Before that, what I wrote on the board? We eat different parts of plant. हम plant के अलग अलग हिस्सों को खाते हैं. Now after that I wrote here the different parts of a plant: root, stem, leaf, seed, fruits and vegetable. These are the parts of plant. You all know about that. These are the different parts of plant. We have it, but not a same plant. Means अगर आप किसी एक plant की leaf खाओगे तो उसी की root नहीं खाओगे. Okay, if we use leaf of that plant, we don't use this root of that plant. Okay, why we eat that part of the plant? Suppose we will take this part, root. Some plants collect their nutrient in the root. I explained you in the short form. थोड़ा शॉर्टली मैं समझा रही हूँ. Why we have root? हम root क्यों खाते हैं? Because these plants collect their nutrient in the root. And human beings are very clever. हम लोग बहुत शाणे लोग हैं, बहुत चतुर लोग हैं. हम सिर्फ उसी पार्ट को लेंगे जिससे हमें ज़्यादा अच्छा न्यूट्रिएंट मिलेगा. तो we have root of some plants. Okay. And what is the name of that plant? Only जिसकी root हम खाते हैं. Give me example. Carrot. Carrot is the root. After that, radish. Radish is a root. मूली, गाजर and beetroot. These are the roots of a plant and we have it. हम उसको खाते हैं. Why? Because this plant collect all the nutrients that is the necessary for our body. We get energy from that nutrient. So that plant collect that nutrient in the roots and we have it. Okay. Stem. I give you simple example. Stem, potato, ginger. These are the stem and sugar cane also. Ganna. The plant collect their nutrients in the stem. तो we have it. हम उसे खाते हैं. Okay. Now leaf. Leafy vegetables like cabbage and spinach, methi, coriander, curry patta. We also have it. These are the leaves and we should use as a food item. Okay. Now seeds. Seeds are the so many types of seeds we have. Okay. Now the name of that seed is, anybody tell me? Name of seed. I give you simple example. And what is the uses of that seed? Wheat, rice, maize, corn. These are the seeds. And we use as a food item. Now another use of seeds is we get oil from the seeds of some plants. Okay. The name of that food item is groundnut. मूंगफली खाते हैं ना सब लोग. And soybean, sesame oil, sunflower. These are the seeds. We get seed from these plants and after that we extract it. Okay. क्या करते हैं? इनसे फिर हम तेल निकालते हैं. Clear? तो we use seed in the different ways. Okay. Clear? Now fruit. We eat all types of fruits, seasonal fruits. Okay. Now vegetables. Vegetable तो रोज मम्मी घर पे बनाती है. Clear? So these are the parts of plant and we have it in the different ways. Okay students. Now I finished here my lecture. Clear? Now you read the chapter number 5 at home. This is a new chapter for you, and I explain you these things in the detailed form. Okay? Which thing means I am writing here root, stem, leaf, seeds, fruits, vegetables. So I explain you all the thing in the detailed form tomorrow. Okay? Or in the next lecture. Clear? Now after that I finish my lecture here. Take care. Goodbye.